Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick bread without yeast. Quick breads are a fantastic option when you want a delicious baked good without the waiting time associated with yeast. They rely on chemical leavening agents to achieve their rise, making them much faster to prepare from start to finish. We'll cover the essential ingredients and techniques to help you bake perfect quick breads every time. Understanding your ingredients is crucial for quick bread success. All-purpose flour forms the base, giving your bread its structure. For leavening, we use baking powder and baking soda, which react with liquids and acids to produce carbon dioxide, creating that wonderful rise. Fats such as butter or oil contribute to a tender crumb and rich flavor, ensuring your quick bread is moist and delicious. Proper mixing technique is vital for a tender quick bread. Combine your wet and dry ingredients only until they are just moistened. Overmixing can develop the gluten in the flour, resulting in a tough, dense texture. For baking, preheat your oven to between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the recipe. This ensures even cooking and a beautifully golden brown crust on your finished product. There are so many wonderful quick breads to explore. From the comforting sweetness of banana bread to the delightful flakiness of scones, the possibilities are endless. You can also try muffins, cornbread, or even savory quick breads. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy experimenting with different flavors and ingredients to find your new favorite quick bread recipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.